Hey guys, so welcome back. Okay, I just finished with the creating looks part 1. So I'm gonna carry on with that. I think I remember who I did. I'm gonna go through my friends and just do it because, you know, obviously I haven't probably done any of these people. So I'm just gonna pick one random person. Let's do Tap Queen. I'm just gonna add some like D in a second. Oh, it's been Fortnite. Yeah, I did not say like Fortnite because I'm not weird. Mr. Bean's bloody. Okay, so let's see what I always go hair, top, trousers, bottoms, then accessories. It's just how I do it, okay? Don't like judge me, please. Because I do it a certain way, and you guys might do it like differently, but you know. Okay, I really want to take off the necklace, but I don't know if I can because it's not letting me. I'm literally clicking on it. Okay, it's still with that. There we go. Okay, she has some pretty hands. She has that. So far, oh damn, I kind of like this. I know I think I've done this one before, but I don't care because it's actually so pretty. Like, okay, let's just stick with this one because yeah, sarcasm. Okay, I might check it out. I don't know. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna do accessories. Wait, let's look at her tops first. Because I mean, this is cute, and so is this, but so is this. I'm liking this so far because it's actually cute. These are cute. This is so cute. Okay, I'm going to this. I'm just gonna do this, like, and it's not much of a cover-up thing, but you know, I don't really care. This is like a basic look. I was gonna say something, but I would have got to. Oh yeah, I just took for her back. So me and that guy were talking, the guy from the last video, like, about what he messaged me, which was that his brother was dying, I think it was. Okay guys, just ignore that keeps falling down and I'm actually fed up with it. I'll sort that in a minute. Oh my god, this is cute. I know it's like not the same colour and that, but you know. Okay, this is cute. Guys, I might have to sort that out, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, right, so I'm back. Cause if that keeps falling off, literally, my printer's gonna break because it's above my printer. Why do I sound when... That was when I was doing it without the... without me talking because I didn't really want to talk, but I was like, no, it wastes up too much of my time. So I know what I was gonna go through people's looks as well, and then I was gonna like see what people have created as them. So I might do Les because she is my life. So I'm gonna go through her looks, and I'm gonna like, if they're that nice, I'll add them to. I'll just create a look for her first because it's easier that way. Boom. Why has she got that on her head? I don't see why people buy like all these freckles for your face. Like, look how many freckles and stuff she's got. Let me take it off for some reason. So we're just gonna go frame, gonna do this. And then I'm just gonna do sweat top because I was like, I really don't care what we're doing right now. I mean, this is actually pretty cute. Guys, if you can hear that, that's my chair, but you know, because I keep moving on my chair because I can. that's a bit weird, but you know, I'm not currently in this space. I think that's cute. I mean, this is basic, but plus she doesn't have a lot of stuff. Base. Actually, I'm gonna see how much this is because it's actually quite cute. Fun in the sun. That's what I created. The other ones that I created that. So let's see what this is. What's this? Load, please. Thank you. Basic. Hey, why are you glitching? Not glitching, lagging, whatever. Cool. I'm just gonna 2,600 for that. Oh, it's come with that. Okay, never mind. Hot shit kisses. I really miss my mistress. 666. I already had the hair, so without that, it'd be 1,675. Well, I know. I'm gonna go to the cafe chat room and see if I can find anyone I can collect of, because why not? We're in Unicorn Cafe. I'm surprised no one's messaged me and been like, hey, you're recording, am I on YouTube? Because like that's what I used to see when I was recording, like on my old account. Everyone was like, oh my god, you're recording, let me be in your video and stuff. I feel like really mean if I didn't accept. Like, but you know, I bet she's gonna text me like, I'm not saying she's a noob, but like, yeah. Hi means come. Does it? Me and my friends always used to use hi, but with 2 eyes. Okay, I'm just gonna like message her because I just want to be nice. But you know. Wait. Oh my god, cat's mouth. Wait, what? I'm just gonna like start off with a normal conversation. How are you? I don't want to be like, hey, learning some other language with me. Why? Oh, why are you swearing, sir? I'm not trying to. Okay. Be right back, guys. I think there's a little bit of beef in this chat thing. But you know, this guy is being really like horrible to people, and it's annoying. I should say, girl, Ellie Rose. He took my back. He took me back to his little mama. Good to hear. I don't know what to say because like otherwise it's gonna be like really awkward. Just gonna be like, if she asks me for gifts, then you know. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I know these are only like 8 to 10 minutes, well not really 10, because you know I just want to record more videos, upload them, and do different sorts of videos. I might do a video on this account doing random stuff. But yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.